So children, as I told you, first we will learn how to draw the borders without using a scale, because in ICSE it is not allowed. So we will hold the pencil. The video is not seen properly. I'll show you sometime in my live class. Hold this pencil like this and then just put it from where you have to draw the border up to down, and just pull it down like this. Just pull it. This way you will get a straight line. Just pull it down and turn the page on the other side, and then again do the same process. See, I am doing it all four sides, and the other side I will show you the other way of doing it. You can use a paper scale for doing the border. Just fold any paper and just use it like a scale. It will help you in doing still lifes further also, right? So here it is done, and now I am going to show you how to convert a circle into a sphere. Here I am using my pencils. I hope you all must be having. These are two simple circles. One I am going to convert it in a sphere. You must be knowing the solid circle is called sphere, है ना? Heavy solid होता है वो. So just see, I have chosen 4B pencil, and then I see how I have holding my pencil. Keeping this in mind, that the light is coming from left hand side. I am giving the base strokes. Right, children? I have made the speed double of this video so that it may not drag. You will get bored. So that's why I have increased the speed. It takes time. But here definitely you will get the idea. The portion which I have to shade, I have given the base, and then taking a rag, you can take anything. It's not key you have to use tissue only or any particular stumps or something. You can use a simple rag and just smudge it very lightly. This is the base coat, right? And now I am giving the second strength, second level. You can also do, just keep the pencil far from, so that it does not smudge with your hand. Or you can use a paper also. You can keep a paper below your hand. Excuse me. I have changed the pencil to a darker one. I am using 6B now. Again smudge. See, gradually I am mixing it upwards also in the white space, because you must have studied in your physics that shadow, cut shade nahi aata hai until and unless there is a very, very high light, right? It moves in grades, that shadow. I don't know the technical term, but what I know is this, that it moves in grades, and if the light is coming from front, the shadow will fall behind. See, I am making the shadow also of a sphere. It started taking its shape. Right, children? लग रहा है ना कैसे शेप आ गया? एक सिंपल सा स्क्वायर था, सर्कल था, और वो स्फीयर में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. Children, I want you all to do this in your copy. जब कभी कुछ स्मजिंग बाहर आ जाती है तो आप डेफिनेटली यू कैन यूज एन इरेजर और उससे आप उसको मिटा सकते हो. See, I am keeping a paper below my hand so that it does not smudge. How much I require, I'll keep, and extra I'll remove. Here I am using 10B pencil, but this is, I think, Rekha 10B. I'll see and tell you. Camlin, it's a Camlin 10B, but it's not that dark. So finally I have used Faber-Castell's 8B. Now see, after smudging, it's looking like a sphere, right? दिखने लगा ना भी आपको, बिल्कुल लग रहा है कि आपने एक लोहे का गोला रखा हुआ है सामने. Sphere is kept in front of you. This is the depth. Again, I told you I am using 8B for depth because this Camlin's 10B is lighter than this Faber-Castell's 8B. So I have used Faber-Castell's 8B to give the final depth.